Is it time to buy or sell Thumzup Media stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Thumzup Media. Our initial report was published on our website on the 11th of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Thumzup Media as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.75. Now, let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to observe how it evolves in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 88.39% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 88.39% to 210.55%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 52.86%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 23.26% to positive 150.43% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $7.25 and $23.67. Our latest daily update for Thumzup Media includes the headline, High Volatility in Thumzup Media Corporation Stock Price on Monday, which ended trading at $9.45. The Thumzup Media Corporation stock price fell by 38.87% on the last day, which was Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, from $15.46 to $9.45. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 11.42%, ranging from a day low of $9.41 to a day high of $10.49. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 34.05% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 3 million shares, although prices have fallen. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 3 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $32.31 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $16.49, while the lowest price was $2.02. Currently, the price is 42.69%, or $7.04. Below the 52-week high of $16.49, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Thumzup Media has priced a confidential public offering at $50 million, setting the share price at $10. This move is expected to generate approximately $46.5 million before fees. This decision follows a recent term update, which has adjusted some allocations to pre-funded warrants, along with earlier financings and preferred issuances from July that have significantly increased the company's share count. Management indicates that the proceeds will be directed towards cryptocurrency accumulation, mining equipment, and general working capital. This strategy aligns with the board's authorization to hold up to $250 million in cryptocurrency and the recent additions of Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and USDC to its investment strategy. On the operational front, Thumzup continues to demonstrate traction in the adtech sector, surpassing 1,000 advertiser locations, joining the Russell Microcap Index, and enabling Stripe crypto payments for advertisers. In the short term, the $10 offering and pending conversions of preferred shares are likely to exert downward pressure on the stock due to dilution and an increased float, despite the infusion of capital enhancing liquidity. However, inclusion in the Russell Index and steady growth in advertisers could provide support for buying. Over the longer term, the funds raised present two opposite forces. If cryptocurrency markets rally, Thumzup's accumulated assets could significantly enhance equity value. Conversely, if the crypto market weakens or regulatory costs escalate, the company's balance sheet and earnings may experience greater volatility. Continued revenue growth and successful monetization of its adtech platform remain the most promising avenues for a sustained re-rating. analysts have assigned Thumzup Media stock an overall strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated this stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Thumzup Media. Currently, there are minimal to no technical positive signals. The Thumzup Media Corporation stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $13.15 and $11.39. A breakthrough above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 38.87%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence, divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices fell. This may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, issued 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, issued 79 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, issued 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, issued 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal, issued 27 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal, issued 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, issued 100 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal, issued 92 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Thumzup Media. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $8.83 and $8.26. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Thumzup Media Corporation finds support just below today's level at $8.83. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $8.26 and $7.21. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.08 between its high and low, or 11.42%. Over the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 12.78%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Thumzup Media, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important indicator measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. Nonetheless, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and could hint at bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Thumzup Media. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Thumzup Media is at $9.50. If you do not own any shares, it may be advisable to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Thumzup Media faces its first support level at $8.83. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Thumzup Media from various analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 4th of August, 2025, Haig Robert L. executed an insider purchase of 500,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Massey Joanna D. conducted an insider purchase of 50,000 shares of common stock. Also on that day, Dietrich Isaac made an insider purchase of 50,000 shares of common stock. In addition, on the 4th of August, 2025, Dickman Paul carried out an insider purchase of 50,000 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 1st of August, 2025, Lupinelli Danny executed an insider sale of 300,000 shares of option, which is the right to buy. Analyzing the 58 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 55.992. Overall, insiders acquired a total of 2,264,697 shares, while selling 6,227,486 shares in these last 58 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Thumzup Media stock a good buy? The Thumzup Media Corporation stock exhibits several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Thumzup Media Corporation will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to a negative evaluation of this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a buy to a strong sell recommendation since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 12th of August, we expect Thumzup Media to open higher by approximately 33 cents and begin trading at $9.78. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.